Alright guys, I'm doing a review on this 100% coconut water. This is their Obrigado, Brazil, and take a look, just coconut water, but it's made a little bit differently. As you can see, that's what they stated, so zero air and light for extraction for fresh taste. So I'm going to do a quick taste test for you guys right now. I got my cup. I do like coconut water, and I've tried many types of coconut water, so we'll see how this one tastes. This one is actually quite good. I do like it. It's not overly sweet or anything. It has that hint of coconut, and the neat thing about it, there's not a real coconut. You know how coconut water, when it's sort of pasteurized or when it's sort of out for a while, it has that more of a sort of like a bottle taste to it. This doesn't have that sort of bottle taste to it. It's actually quite good. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions or comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.